Today we're going to do the steps to making a Blooming Nine Patch. I'm going to make the first 4 center 9 patches. I'm only using a half of a 2-inch strip. This is different from the original pattern, which calls for 1 3/4. This is a 2-inch. And the first group I can just sort of line up, hold them together. I make sure that my stitch length is 12 to 15 stitches per inch. If you have a foreign machine, as I do, it's a 2.0 setting. As you can see, I use leaders and enders to manage the extra thread. After I stitch it, I take my thumb and my forefinger, like so, thumbnail, pad of your forefinger, and together I open that seam allowance up, called finger pressing your seam allowance. Then the next one I do pin on because I can't always get them straight. So I try to match up the salvages. I place my pins about 3/4 of an inch from the edge, and every few inches I place a pin, because then my raw edges are always aligned. My units always come out to the correct size. We use a 12 to 15 inch, a relatively short stitch length, because we're going to subcut these right on the stitching line, and we don't want them to pull apart. There's 1 and 2. Each group of 9 patches gets 2 separate strip sets. Finger press. Sometimes I have some of that Sort Quick that you can buy at an Office Depot store, and it's used for sorting and counting money, but it works to keep your fingertips moistened in quilting too. Let's see, this one had 2, so this one gets another yellow, and I have 2 extra. Once again, pin 3/4 of an inch from the edge.